Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in umbrella insurance with Assurant, beginner guide step by step clearly. Investing in umbrella insurance can provide you with an extra layer of protection. Start by understanding what umbrella insurance is. Umbrella insurance offers coverage above and beyond your existing insurance policies. It can protect you from personal liability claims that could otherwise devastate your finances. Next, assess your current insurance coverage. Look at your auto, home, and other liability insurance policies. Determine your existing liability limits. Consider factors like your assets and potential risks you face. Once you have a clear picture, research Assurant as a provider. Visit their official website to learn about their umbrella insurance offerings. Take note of the coverage options they provide. Look for any specific policies tailored to your needs. After gathering information, request a quote through Assurant's online platform. Fill out the necessary information, including your current coverage details. Be ready to provide information about your assets and lifestyle. Once you receive your quote, thoroughly review the coverage terms. Understand what is included and any exclusions that may apply. Consider your budget and whether the premium fits your financial plan. If you have questions, reach out to Assurant's customer service for clarification. Once you're comfortable with the terms, complete the application process. Submit any additional documents required by Assurant. After your application is approved, you'll receive confirmation of your coverage. Make note of your policy details and keep them accessible. Importantly, review your umbrella insurance coverage periodically. Adjust your policy as your assets or circumstances change. This will ensure you always have the protection you need. With these steps, you're on your way to making a sound investment in umbrella insurance with Assurant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.